Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2024 Toyota Crown review. Bob Hernandez. As with its Prius hatchback and Venzo SUV, Toyota adapts a hybrid-only approach with the Crown sedan. The model is the brand's second oldest, behind the Corolla, but in the US there was a 50-year gap between when it was last sold here and the current iteration. As it was reintroduced for 2023, we expect few changes for the 2024 model year. The 2024 Toyota Crown competes with the Volkswagen Arteon and Honda Accord Hybrid. Collapse all chevron. What's new? Chevron. Updates to soft touch materials across all trims. Traffic jam assist, lane change assist, and front cross-traffic alert are standard on the Platinum trim, available through Advanced Technology Package on limited trim. What we think Chevron. Given its unusual high-riding full-size sedan form factor, you won't be blamed for wondering how the Crown makes sense. We think it has a certain outlier charm that could appeal to shoppers with SUV fatigue. The hybrid AWD is quick enough for everyday needs, and its body seems unmoved by chassis weight transfer around corners. However, we hesitate to call the Crown sporty. Its purpose is more comfort-oriented, providing a smooth, quiet ride with little drama. Wider tires could enliven performance, but that's not really the Crown's modus operandi. Returning excellent fuel economy is. Ingress and egress are easier. Compact SUV-like, really? The 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and same-size central touchscreen are also perfect for this tech-forward cabin. But its trunk is on the small side, and like the only sedans left in the class, it has a low ceiling. Additionally, lower trims provide better feature per dollar value. There's no denying the Crown is a boundary-pushing odd duck. The real question might be if there are enough SUV defectors out there to buy them. Performance and MPG's Chevron. Every 2024 Crown is a hybrid and offers AWD, but powertrains and outputs depend on trim level. XLE and limited models feature a 2.5-litre non-turbocharged inline-4, front and rear electric motors, and CVT automatic, with total system output rated at 236 horsepower. Crowns with this setup return better fuel economy. The 2023 model saw efficiency of 42/41 miles per gallon city, highway. For more grunt, there's the Crown Platinum. It gets a 2.4-litre turbo 4-cylinder, electric motors, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Toyota pegs its output at 340 combined HP, but the trade-off is diminished fuel economy. Last year's Platinum returned efficiency of 29/32 miles per gallon city, highway. We've only had a chance to test the more powerful 2023 Crown Platinum, but it made the sprint to 60 miles per hour as Toyota estimated, in 5.7 seconds. Crown Abroad. Chevron. The sedan that Americans get is just one of 4 different Crown body styles Toyota produces for Japan and other markets. The US version is known as the crossover type abroad, and there's a separate Crown sedan that looks more like a next-generation Avalon. The Crown Sport looks like the variant that should have the crossover name, and the Crown Estate is a full-on boxy-bodied SUV. Sport and Estate types are offered as plug-in hybrids, in addition to hybrids, and the Crown sedan is available as a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. Safety features. Chevron version 3.0 of Toyota's Safety Sense suite of driver assistance features is standard on the 2024 Crown. It consists of automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, a lane keeping system with lane centering, automatic high beams, and traffic sign recognition. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic monitoring are also standard. More sophisticated parking sensors are unlocked on the limited trim, and Platinum models get a 360-degree camera and advanced park hands-free parking. Technology Chevron heated and powered front seats, a 12.3-inch gauge cluster screen and central touch screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, wireless phone charger, and puddle lights are standard on every 2024 Crown. XLE base models start with 6 speakers, and the limited upgrades to an 11-speaker JBL premium sound system. The middle grade also gains power folding side mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, ventilated front seats, and heated rear seats. Platinum models receive a heated steering wheel and 360-degree camera. Trim levels and prices. Chevron. The 2024 Toyota Crown is available in 3 trims, XLE, Limited, and Platinum. Look for the base model to start close to $42,000 and the top trim level to clear $55,000. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.